friends, and welcome to my workshop. My name is Damian and I converted this Optimum MD4 milling machine to CNC using an Arduino and GRBL. For those of you that don't know my channel yet, please consider subscribing because that cheers me up and I make even more content for you. And by the way, check out my Instagram too. By the time I started this project, I wanted a machine control for GRBL that was capable of managing tool changes and multiple work coordinate systems, but I couldn't find any good ones, so I programmed my own, which you can see here in the background. Now that everything is working almost perfectly, I wanted to tune the machine control parameters to get higher possible travel speeds, but I had to realize that it was not the steppers that limit the maximum velocity, but the Arduino. Now, the Arduino is capable of outputting 30 kHz maximum step frequency, and if you want, say, 1000 steps per millimeter for microstepping, this gives us a maximum speed of 1.8 meters a minute in the best case. I already had some software freezes from the Arduino at even lower speeds when it was doing other tasks simultaneously, like communicating with my control software. So there's a trade-off between accuracy and speed that needs to be done. The next thing is that stepper motors have tons of torque at relatively low speeds, but lose it very fast as soon as you drive them faster. So I bought these ball screws with 10mm pitch instead of 5 to use my motors more efficiently. But then again, I need even more microstepping, and so I decided to change the Arduino to this 32-bit microcontroller, which is way more powerful. But this is a future project. At the moment, I have started to build my boat that I have been dreaming about the last 8 years or so. I have already mentioned that in the last Shop Talk video, so please go and check that out if you haven't already. Furthermore, I started a development project where I want to build a 3D touch probe. This is the prototype of the third iteration and it looks promising to me, so I am planning to make some small production runs of these in the future to test the real thing made from metal. If you are interested in one of these, please let me know by leaving a comment under this video. And yeah, that is all I have for you today. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notification when I upload new content. Bye!